Fog certainly been a big story across the area from late this afternoon right up to this point, and you're seeing that reduced visibility. Cumberland County and Crossville, we're top City Hall. Looking back towards the west, we also have fog in other spots like including here in Knoxville itself. About a mile visibility at Island Home Airport, 1 mile Oak Ridge, but a lot of zeros showing up. Kingston, Loudon, Maryville, Athens, Gatlinburg, Newport. You get the point here. Be very careful if you're going to be traveling overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. We have a dense fog advisory that goes until 7 o'clock first thing tomorrow morning. We're also going to see a few scattered showers develop late tonight into tomorrow as well. Hovering right about 52 now. That really hasn't changed much throughout the afternoon, and I don't expect it to change much overnight into tomorrow morning. We may actually rise a degree or two closer to daybreak as some southerly winds start to pick up. So kind of what you see is what you get when you step out the door in the morning temperature-wise. I do think there'll be a few showers around. Fog certainly a concern through about 8 or 9 in the morning until rain shower chances really increase, but keep the umbrella handy. It's not going to rain all day, but we're going to have opportunities throughout the day. This is lunchtime, and then especially in the afternoon from Knoxville eastward into the Smokies, the most likely areas to see these showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. This is 4 o'clock through 7 p.m. and right up through 11 o'clock this time tomorrow night. Decent opportunities for rain until we push this cold front through the area later tomorrow night. These are highs throughout the day on Tuesday. It's going to be warm, mid to upper 60s for many areas, maybe a couple of spots close to 70 degrees. It's going to be close, but don't get used to it. Next weather maker's already knocking on the doorstep, so I'll pick it back up with midnight. So almost 24 hours from now, about 55 degrees. Most likely the official high for the day is going to be just after midnight, because by the time we get to daybreak on our Wednesday, we've already got temperatures dropping down in the 40s, maybe a band of some wet snow in some spots across the plateau into Kentucky, even here in the Knoxville area. But notice our temperatures, we're above freezing, so no road issues here. This moves out. Best chance for snow is going to be in the Smokies, but it stays chilly, drier with a mix of clouds and some sunshine on Wednesday afternoon, kind of hovering right there in the upper 30s to low 40s range. Could actually see another burst of some light snow or flurries before this tapers off late Wednesday night. So this is not a big snowmaker. Maybe a dusting in some spots across the plateau, maybe some 1 inch or less on some grassy surfaces near the Kentucky and Tennessee border. Harlan County always seems to get the higher snow totals, and that wouldn't surprise me, some 1 to 3 inch totals there, and same in the higher elevations of the Smokies. I wouldn't expect much more than maybe a car top or rooftop in some places like Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. The main thing is it's just going to be colder for everybody. By the time we get to Thursday morning, we're back in the low to mid 20s, so kind of deja vu from last week, right? And then we'll struggle Thursday afternoon to get out of the upper 30s and low 40s. But this stint is a little bit shorter than last week's. It'll be cold again Friday morning, mid 20s, but we're already thawing out in the upper 40s by Friday afternoon. And we've got 50s over the weekend. And the best timing for the rain, the way it looks now for the weekend,